go away before all the dance done for the suck your cocky. That's how deep you be. I don't know Johnny I roll with it. And when me make sure you pass up your yard, that's if you say me see your car up there, you know the day. So you gone home with the man, go and fuck him. Before you go home. At 6 o'clock your car was there. At 6 o'clock at 4. Since to 4, the hear me. Some to 3, 3, I go to 4, the party done. And your car wasn't in your yard. All them kind of trees, something your car never in your yard. Where you go dog shit? You don't sell early morning fuck. And that you fit talk about. Because I know you and John go away. I am the man. I meant to sell your business. I am the black man. You and the black man. Remember, you know, the man them saying a party, mama birthday, all of them, you lick you all of them balls, the blood clot, 20 pound. The man them fed up on you in a party now if you walk a beg. And true, when the people them not give you hurt or you upset, you know, chat to them. You have to remember kindness, drunker. But you're not really ungrateful. But you build up my blood clot. But me tell you how the man stay. I'm gonna show you how me know blood clot. They say, Mama bird are wicked. You think so me know your secret, them dirty girl, and actually me not talking, you know. You don't know say a 6 barrel Mama bird send a Jamaica last year, and Mama bird a walk us begging and friends. So all of the money them when she a walk a collect from people and a beg. A 6 barrel, the nasty woman send a Jamaica, 6 blood clot barrel. That's the way every year she cost. Body with the whole heap of foam and come. And I will enjoy myself and take my care and give for gone. And you come violate. You come make trouble. Last year me last year you should answer me with that. That means say yeah, me can talk me truth, let me talk me truth here because you're let America want control the money. Your mama brother walk us begging and friends. So all of the money them when she walk a collect from people and a beg. A 6 barrel, the nasty woman said a Jamaica, 6 blood clot barrel. 6 barrel, you roll out in the night when you don't want nobody to see out of your house. You smart. 6 barrel. Make you make money really talk. One thing you don't blood clot no. Me people they work a off. And them see one name for England. Are you? Noreen. Yeah, you. Yeah. So you think so? I first. Yeah. More than once, what the name Noreen? No, she, because the person who go for the barrel, me know. Oh, them know. The person who collect the blood clot barrel, I know. Okay. Yeah, idiot. The person who collect the barrel, I know. The person who collect the barrel from over here, I know. The person who go here to collect the barrel, Stanley shipping, I know. And we try to deliver a Jamaica walk before it clear, I know. Me no blood clot sipping 6 barrel human walk and collect the dance for the dance people them and pack. And she do a little clean. I think she do a little work down dance that we not really pay. But that could make you send 6 barrel. I like you tell your taps and roses never that what you use a little sister for taps and roses. Our sister pan. And she use a little girl for taps and roses. Oh, when you come to me. When your blood clot, you come to me, Mama Bird. Taps and roses never buy none put in my house. Come in the TikTok. Me no want them famous, you know, because my pussy famous. I use her for taps and roses. You know, she have her own page over there where she a beg. She make a little girl do video with her and beg. Then taps and roses them. Taps and roses going to lick no blood clot, no wait. And then lock it down. America lock down TikTok. And England will lock it down soon and soon. England will lock it down, but it affect. I remember the little boy where the white boy did something there. You see one video with one white boy make a little boy kiss off him dirty shoes. Yeah. I want to white boy racial with the racial where make a little boy. Yeah, that a coming content for lock it down because of that. You know understand with England. You see anything with England, no comfort. You see anything with America to England, England is a right. So you see with England now, you see when them know them wrong against the black community, them try to lock them what expose them. With that TikTok exposed people. Yeah, then that's try expose him. That's why them know anything we expose them try to lock it down because they know they're wrong in the first place. The America want control the money making thing. Yeah. Because anybody that on TikTok, hold on, over here now, anybody over here, we are make over more than something a week, on TikTok a month, you have to pay tax. What? I'm saying. Right now, right? You have to pay tax. Suppose. So me know that woman I travel me come, me not travel her. One thing with a scorpion, get anybody a scorpion, they know so we juvenile, we jokey, we playing, and we go, but once we have a dispute and it done, it done. Me not walking on my enemy's camp. So leave me the fuck alone, lady. Leave me. At 2024, you get blood clot papers. Me walk through airport with mine. I mean, I'm brag and boast. At the time now, when you them boss you have to humble your bumble clot self with it. Humble yourself with it and start a nice life now. Yeah, walk and make trouble. A long time here, you talk, say, if yeah, wait for your girl or a boy run up in you now. Now you get your 2.5 years. You know, so you have no sense. You say you have no sense. You make his speech. You can't say, I say you don't make his speech. You make his speech. Because good source tell me. You make the speech. So in yourself, you say, oh, you get a paper. You get a 2.5 years, so you can't make problem. Girl, that don't make no sense. This is the time when you have to get it and start your life out. Remember, so they don't give you benefit with it. So you're still not British. You still not make no sense. You can't clear. You still have to work as a body. And that if you don't do, appeal it back to home office and make them know say you have sugar. You almost sleep on a dead track. So them can offer your medication. You stink like toilet. Your life still, mama bird. People tired of you now. People tired of you. You're a big troublemaker. Big troublemaker. Look what my cousin say, cause I don't run you from come out and talk. Because if you don't talk and one day you don't see her now, and you don't make she attack you or they say nothing, you don't hear say you. So you're doing the right thing to attack her.